Guys, welcome back to another quick video. And I don't know if I made it or not, but I think I put it on my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I got COVID last Tuesday. So today is actually day 6. Spoke to the doctor. I had fever for 2 days. I mean, that night and then the following day. But I've been stuck in my room just watching TV. My wife's taking care of me. Now my son got COVID yesterday, so he's quarantined. I'm still quarantined, but freaking tired. So you know what? I said, you know what? I'm just gonna take a ride because I need to get all this stress out. Feeling a whole lot better. No symptoms anymore, so that's good. Thank God. And I'm actually prepping one of my bikes to go for a ride. So I got my T8 right there, and as you saw on, if you were able to hear it, because I made it on the video, this thing is actually making a lot of noise on this general area right here. I got a brand new headset that I'm gonna replace because I already cleaned this up a few times already. I changed the stem, handlebar, everything's greased up, good to go, and it's still squeaking a lot. I'm gonna replace the headset, but I don't know if it's gonna be the headset or my actual fork. I hope it's not the fork. Has anybody had any experience of the steer tube coming up loose? Let me know, because I don't know. Like I said, the first thing I'm gonna do is gonna replace the well, I can try out that fork, but I'm not gonna be riding this bike today because it was clunking way too much on the downhill section over there in Chipinque. So I'm not gonna be taking that one. The other, I have not done anything since I got it. It's still very crooked. It's a lot of tension on the spokes. Hopefully I will be easing that up. I don't care about that because I'm gonna replace the wheelset anyway. Then my trail, it rained a few days ago, but I'm pretty sure my trail is okay, so I'm not gonna be taking that one. My Axum is inside the house, but today I actually decided to start prepping my bike and we're ready to go. I actually need this, and let me show you which one I'm taking. By the way, it's like 100 degrees right now. It's 4:30 p.m. so I'm probably gonna ride in an hour and a half or so, maybe less. I'm actually gonna be taking my e-bike today because I have not ridden in a week, and I just wanna ride, distract myself, and have fun. So I'm just gonna take that. I already have some waters right here. Stay hydrated out of the way. I mean, the trail is literally behind those trees over there, so it's not that far. I got my helmet, my gloves. I'm not gonna take my water backpack today. It's too much weight. Helmet, and yeah, I actually came to the garage to grab something and then I forgot it, so here I am. Gotta go to the Poseidon. By the way, I have my little toolbox. I need this. I put on the bike every time I ride. I keep my tools, my inhaler, my earbuds, whatever I have, I keep it in there just in case I need it. Haven't had the need. Basically just use it for storage. And what is great about it is that it just clicked right here. I love this thing. I got a bigger one, but I ended up liking this smaller one better. The bigger one is basically the same. Let me show it to you. It's actually right here. Currently holding all the nail polish that I bought to do the Axum paint correction. But look at the size difference. So it's not that big, but I haven't found the need to actually take this big one. Maybe like once or twice. I like this compact version way better. And it's, the good thing is that it clips. I leave affiliate links for both to this in the description below, because I love this thing. I've been riding them for like 2 years, zero issues. Now I actually want to start taking some tools. I'm probably gonna be I got another test, because I tested yesterday and it was still positive after 5 days. So I got another test coming in tomorrow, rapid test that I order on Amazon. They're gonna be arriving tomorrow. But if I'm gonna be over there, I'm gonna start taking some tools over there, because I wanna try to fix the T8 over there, because I'm freaking bored. If you can recommend something off Netflix, let me know. Prime, also Amazon Prime. I have Amazon Prime, Netflix, and Disney Plus. If you want to recommend something, let me know, because I'm freaking bored now. So I'm gonna start taking some of my tools up there, my grease, my Allen heads, and all that, and start working on some of the projects, because I got a tire there for the Poseidon. I wanted to make it tubeless with the original Axum wheel, but I could not get that thing to sit in it. I couldn't get it at all. I actually taped up. Let me show you. I went ahead and got the Gorilla Tape, cut it up. I don't know if I made a video. If I did, it's gonna come out later on, because I haven't edited. I have a bunch of videos that I need to edit. But yeah, I put Gorilla Tape on that wheel, and it will not sit. It just, I don't know if it's because of 29er. This is a 700. I don't know, maybe it's too wide for this 50C wheel. I don't know, we'll see, because I want to try the 29s on the Redwood. More on that later, but for now I think I got everything that I need to go for a ride in a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna, I ate a little bit earlier, but kind of getting a little hungry. I think my wife ordered pizza, so I might get a bite, and then just wait maybe around 5:30, 6 o'clock, go for a ride, because I need it so bad. Other than that, thanks for staying tuned. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I had COVID. Some of you already reached out. Thank you guys. Thank you, Chris. We're doing much better. My son, he does have a little bit of fever, but it is being controlled. So thanks everybody out there. But for now, all we gotta do is wait. This thing is gladly, I'm a teacher, so I'm on vacation, so I don't have to ask for days off, because otherwise it's not cool. Other than that, that's it for this one, guys. I'm just gonna go for a ride and just have fun, relax, and I guess I'll see you on the trails. If you want to help out, just check the affiliate links in the description below. Give it a like, comment, share, and subscribe. It helps a lot by using the links in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra, even if you don't. Just know, you already know the drill. So that's it for this one, guys, and let's ride. Goodbye.